Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what I got in my Scrapbook Haul. I'm part of a kid club. It's a local store to me, and every month we get basically a collection. And this month it is the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas. And I don't do a lot of Christmas pages, but one thing I hope I will be doing this year is December Daily. I forgot what it was called. December Daily, which I hope to start at the very beginning of November so that all my pages are done by December 1st, so that on December 1st, all I have to do is take pictures, print them daily, and put them in the album. That is my plan this year. I still don't have my album finished from last year, which is horrible, but I'm hoping that when I work on the new one, I only have like 6 pages left to do in my old album. So I plan on getting that done at the same time. But getting ahead of myself, let's go through this collection. This is chipboard clusters. That's pretty cool. Now, some of these will be way too big probably for my December Daily because I use the pocket pages, but you know, maybe I can use most of them, but they're really cute. So there is 12 pieces in here. Then there is bits and pieces, and there's 56 pieces in that. And I'll bring it up so that you can see what's in there. I won't take it out and take everything out, but I like that there's hearts, there's poinsettias, there's tags, there's words, there's banners. There's quite a bit of stuff there, so I'm excited about that. These are foam stickers, and they're really cute. I really like them. Again, that's going to be, I might do maybe one layout for Christmas every year. I don't do a lot, so maybe I should make a few layouts this year and then also use this for my December Daily. You know, enamel dots, you can use those all the time. And then here's a sticker sheet, a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These are cute, usable. So, you know, I love the photo corners, the poinsettia. Look at that little bird. He's so cute. And even all of these, they're really cute. So can't wait to see how I can use those. Then, oh, look at that. I didn't even look at it. This is the first time looking at it. So this is like cardstock basically that coordinates with the collection like that. Okay, then these are the pattern papers. That's cute, but ooh, I love that. Wouldn't that be a nice page for the picture with Santa? I have a few of Mason that I haven't scrapped, so that would be a good one there. And then you have this, the snowflakes. This is different. It's a bunch of trees. Oh, I love this plaid. I love this plaid. Definitely be using that. That's a little busy for me, but maybe I can cut out some of the poinsettias. But I think, personally, I think I'll be using that side. This is cute. This I probably won't use. It's too busy for me. But this, basically the layout is done for you. And you just put, you know, a picture here, a few embellishments, and you're good to go. I like that. A nice other gingham. And again, this is a little busy, but I'll probably use that. Oh, this is cute. This is still busy, but it's way more usable than this. This, I can cut little peas in behind, you know, mat the photo on cardstock and then mat it again. This, again, a little too busy for me. I would probably, if I did use it, cut out the Santas, but I think I'll use the poinsettias. And then this is cute, but kind of busy. I like that there's one side that's usable and one side that's kind of not. I mean, I wish they were both usable, but at least one side is usable. This too, I mean, I would just put a photo or two, and this is so pretty. You probably don't want to cover it too much. This is pretty busy, but again, I could cut it out. Oh, this is another one that you could do like Christmas morning, or, you know, it says it was the night before Christmas. So whatever your traditions are on Christmas Eve. This is kind of different. It's kind of wood grain background, but super busy on top. I'll definitely be using this. I'll be cutting these apart and using them in my December daily. And when I do my December daily, I don't just choose one collection or one feel. Every page, every double page spread is a different feel. So this will work. I can do some, you know, older looking pages. This definitely will be cutting these apart because I need some 3x4 cards and I need some 4x6 cards. So right away, I know I'm going to be cutting these apart and using them in my December daily. And these two. But these are cute. So December daily, I think most of this will be used in my December daily. So stay tuned for that. That should be starting the first week of November. And we'll put this away. And I kind of forgot, but I had ordered some extra stuff. Let me just push this to the side here. And I had ordered some stuff from the Vicki Boutin Color Study. This is a nice vellum paper. This is really cool. I think personally, I'm just gonna, you know, use sections of it, or I'm gonna cut these out. Then I got a bit of the pattern paper. Okay, this is cool. This, I could see myself using a section of it, but I like this side. And this is all the Color Study from American Craft by Vicki Boutin. This, I'll probably cut a row of this, put it on a layout. I would probably cut these out. This is neat. This is neat, but definitely your page is done. You know, you can put your photos, your title, and it's so cool. And this one here, I could cut maybe some pencils, or same here, just cut rows. You know, I can't see using all of this on one page, but I'll cut it apart. This is super neat. I like that. Oh, I really like this. So I'll probably use a little bit of both. Oh, this is pretty. And this is pretty too. But I'll probably use this and use it as a background. Then this one is nice too. And this one is nice too. So, and then this one, I could see using parts of it. Ooh, this is pretty. But again, I can see myself just using parts of this and, you know, stretch it over some layouts. This is cute. This is really nice. I'm going to be definitely using that side. This is neat, but again, I would cut that apart, use it. Oh, I'll probably use this and use it as a background. This is neat. I could cut out the rainbows, and I probably use some of this too. Cut it apart though, not full sheets. This, I could cut out the butterflies, but nope. I'll definitely be using that side as a background. This too, I would just cut sections of this. Oh, nope. I'm going to be using this as the background. That's kind of sad, but when I find a sheet that I can use as my background, I want to do that because I'm finding it harder and harder to find good backgrounds. So when I see some, definitely that's what I'm going to use. I could use this as a background or use a little bit of both. This, I would definitely just cut section of this, or I can use this as a background. This is really pretty. This one here, sections, or nope. I'd probably use that as a background. Oh, my Lanta. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely going to be using this. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I love it. And then this is cute. And this is cute. The dilemma. So I don't know which one I would use for that. I guess when the time comes, if I can find something to use this as a background, I will, and I'll sacrifice the flowers. I've learned that if you can find a place to put that layout, just do it. And then there's always going to be more papers, more collections. This is cute. Probably just cut pieces off of that. This, definitely just cut those apart and use those. Same with this, cut aparts. I love cut aparts. You know, for the price of one sheet, you get so much use. And then the last one, definitely going to be using the cards. So that's all the papers I got. And then I just got a few embellishments to go with it. I got still from the color study, the embellishments. There is 50 pieces. And I'll bring it up here so that you can see it. So tons of embellishments. So I'll be looking forward to using that. And then I got the sticker book. And I really, really like those. There's tons of stickers. You know, what is it? 6 sticker sheets. And there is 171 pieces. So I'm going to get a ton of use out of these. And if you've been following me, oh, and I'm even going to use this. I love it when they take their packaging and they do something with it that is usable. I will definitely put this on a layout. But if you've been following me for a while, you know that, you know, one of my rules this year is if I bring something new, I want to make sure that I use it. Now, I started the book club because, not the book club, I'm thinking of books. I started the Kit Club because this store opened up right at the beginning of, you know, that nasty thing that's going on right now. So I wanted to make sure to support a local store to make sure that we keep it around. And I'm going to keep getting stuff, but I want to make sure that I use the stuff that I bring into my scrap room. So definitely these will be used in some page kits that I'm going to put together very shortly. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.